Yeah, just Sveno Mick here. Here we are in the last 6 hours and 10 minutes of 2019. Just out and doing a bit of work on the GQ and just sort of get the little brap out. A little, what have we got here? 1884 kilometres. Got the dirt bike in on sort of people. And that one's just about root. It's falling apart inside. It's not actually that old, but here we are. Catherine Joy Della Hunt. Across here for her. I've seen this here a long time. It's a shitty ass old pine tree here. But here we are out at Mountain View Road. Just sort of pull up on my little brap and just video the last day of 2019. So we're in the last 6 hours, roughly the last 6 and a bit hours, 2019. As you can see, there's the Glasshouse Mountains. Zoom on them. As much as my iPhone will zoom in. Probably a bit shaky, I'm holding it with 2 hands. $1 million view out here, but so there we go from Cooching Twins there around to Mount Tibrigargan, the one that looks like a gorilla and also like a gorilla from the outside, and Beerburn, that's one behind that other one, I'm not sure what those two are, and then we've got Crook Neck, and then we go around to Mount Beerwah. But anyhow, I'm not going to say too much here this afternoon, but it's funny, we're nearly into 2020, and I remember 17 years before the year 2000, I remember watching, there was an AMP superannuation ad on television. It used to come on like television presenter called Roger Clemson, and he used to go, it's only 17 years till the year 2000, and I used to think, year 2000, Christ, a bloke is going to be 38 years of age at the end of the year 2000. And, 38. And, so I'll be 37 years old in the year 2000. And, because of my birthday and Mark's birthday is at the end, I've just had it in end of December, so Mark and I have just had it. But I remember thinking, oh God, I'll be 37 years of age. Geez, that's old. Well, there we are, 20 years on from there, and I'm now 57 years of age. Just turned 57, and you don't realise how quickly your life just ebbs away in time. In 10 years' time, I'll be 67 if I'm still going, and 20 years' time, I'll be 77. Well, most men aren't around at 77. That's the reality. Anyway, that's no big drama, but what a beautiful afternoon. I've just been fiddling around the old GQ, putting factory flares back on. Actually, I've got some black ones for it off of young fellow with the GQ. They're always putting rubber ones on and that. But look at these little dairy cows here. Golden Guernseys, I think, most of them. Don't know who owns them, because I know, I used to know a lot of people up here. But anyhow, I'm not going to say too much more, but I'd just like to say Happy New Year from Sveno Mick, and really not much else. Banged in a fair few videos this year, hope to do a fair few more next year. I'm nearly up to 500 videos, but they're just bits and pieces. I'm going to get a bit more into checking out motor vehicles and that are for sale. I've done one on a Ranger Raptor, mate's Ranger Raptor, and his daughter Georgia, which I've done a quick thing on the other day. She's going to do one on a Hilux, but she's been crook, so couldn't do the one on the Raptor, so I just done that one myself. It's been a bit of a disappointment, but Georgia's wanting to kick into a YouTube site, and so I will endeavour to do a few more next year. A few motorbike ones, a few old motorbike ones, a few minuses and pluses for different things. But I'll just spin this around so you can see what Sveno Mick's head looks like. That's Sveno Mick's head in the end of 2019. So that's a 57-year-old head. It's not getting any prettier, but that's all right. I'm getting a bit more used to doing these videos now. I can just waffle on. waffle on for ages. I run over time, I'm 5 minutes in already. I could just waffle. I don't actually love to get paid for talking, Sveno Mick would. But anyhow, that's just the Glasshouse Mountains at the end of 2019. Classic, beautiful, beautiful view, I think. I don't say it's the best view in the world, but it's quite a nice view. And car coming on that note. Sveno, I'll post this one up. Sveno Mick out, and happy end of 2019 and happy 2020. Hope you all have a good new year. Sveno Mick out.